And they're on their way. Pierce and Fire draws for your lead. Cole Harbor, Baby Pot, Charming Sante moving up down on the inside, while Gabby's Choice is running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the 1,000 meters post, we have Pierce and Fire on its favorite position as the pace setter, running by the rail. Charming Sante racing in third. Cole Harbor, Baby Pot, and a long way back to Gabby's Choice. Heading towards the last 600, two runners now parting it out for the lead. Charming Sante takes up the running by the rail. Pierce and Fire shuffle back in second, racing in third. Cole Harbor, Baby Pot remains in fourth, and Gabby's Choice as the action turns to the last 450. Charming Sante this time by about 3 lengths. Pierce and Fire remains in second. Cole Harbor and Baby Pot, and down the stretch they come. Charming Sante by about 3 lengths. Pierce and Fire once again on the outside. Cole Harbor, Baby Pot with 100 to go. John Anthony Guse on Charming Sante by about 6 lengths. And finally, Charming Sante, Pierce and Fire, Cole Harbor, Gabby's Choice, and Baby Pot comes in last.
Okay, 1-4-5-3-2 ang ating